Welcome to another Microsoft Word with NVDA lesson brought to you by the Knowledge Chest. Let's take a look at writing text. Once a choice is made from the Start screen, a document will open, or a blank document will be created. The title bar shows the name of the current document and the name of the program across the top of the window. Underneath are the ribbon titles and currently selected ribbon. The main part of the screen contains the document that looks like a white sheet of paper. When a blank document is created, the default name is Document 1. When opening a second instance of Word to a blank document, the default name would be Document 2. The hotkey to do this is Ctrl+N. By default, there is space around the text, visually indicating the margin at the four edges of a printed page. There is also a visual representation of space around what would be the paper itself. Generally, text is not printed to the very edge of the paper. This is called print layout, as it is designed to appear quite similarly on screen to how a document would look on paper if you print it. Writing basic text in Word is the same as in WordPad or anywhere else. The standard navigation keys also work to move around text, including left arrow and right arrow to move back or forward by one letter, Control plus left arrow or Control plus right arrow to move one word at a time, up arrow and down arrow to move up or down by one line, Control plus up arrow and Control plus down arrow to move up or down by one paragraph, Home and End to move to the start and end of the current line, Control plus Home to move to the start and Control plus End to move to the end of the text, Page up and Page down to move up and down by one screen. Text can be selected by holding down Shift while pressing any of the above keystrokes. For instance, pressing Shift plus N selects from the current point to the end of the line. Pressing Shift plus Control plus Page down selects from the current point to the start of the next page. The entire document can be selected at once by pressing Control plus A. The standard NVDA reading commands also work as they do in other programs. NVDA plus up arrow, laptop NVDA plus L to read the current line, NVDA plus down arrow, laptop NVDA plus A to read from the current point onward. Word also attempts to detect the start of a new sentence. Word automatically capitalizes the start of the next word typed after typing a full stop, exclamation point, question mark, or pressing enter. If text is too long to fit on one line, it will automatically wrap to the following line at the end of the last word, which will fit within the margins. When typing, text is inserted at the caret, visually a flashing vertical line. The caret moves as you type, so new text is added after the previously typed text. When moving through text using the navigation keys, the caret moves to indicate the current position. This enables text to be inserted in the middle of an existing line. In this case, text already to the right of the caret will be pushed to the right to make room, moving to the next line if needed. Pressing delete will remove the character to the right of the cursor. The character NVDA reports while moving with the left arrow and right arrow. Pressing Control plus delete will remove the word or partial word to the right of the cursor. That's all for this lesson. Thanks so much for listening.